Hey everyone, WhatsApp has come up with some latest features, and in this video you are going to learn about that certain features that WhatsApp has launched. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Sketcher Art and Technology, and today in this video our team is going to demonstrate some of the latest features that WhatsApp has launched. So without further ado, let's begin with it. The newest feature that WhatsApp has launched is the search option. Initially we had only the name search option, but now we have got 6 other things like photos, videos, links, GIFs, audio and documents. Let us see them individually. When I click on photos, all the photos available in my gallery will be flashed. I can search on the basis of pictures. The next is videos. If I am in search of a particular video, rather than going into the gallery, I can directly go to the WhatsApp search option also. The next is links. I can search any contact or open any chat by searching on the links option also. The links will be displayed on the date options. The next is GIFs. Anything could be searched in terms of GIFs as well. Audio. One can do the searching now by using audio options as well. And lastly, the documents. WhatsApp's newest feature is the document search thing. One can start a chat with anyone by searching about any of the documents provided. For another feature of WhatsApp, we need to go to the WhatsApp, and here in the attachments thing, if I am looking for attachments, initially we had 6 attachment things, like 6 type of files we could have attached, but in place of room there was camera initially, but now this room feature is added. By clicking on this, we get redirected to the messenger thing, that is the Facebook thing, as Facebook has taken over Instagram, so we can create a meeting room for all the contacts that are available and that are friends with us in Facebook. Okay, if I continue in Messenger, it will redirect me to my FB page. Okay, if I click on the room option, it redirects me to my Facebook page, and here it is. It will ask me for create a room as the username. Okay, and the link is generated, send link on WhatsApp. As I click on it, a link is generated, and if I send it, anyone can just click on this link and join the meeting room. And another update for WhatsApp is the stickers. We usually send the stickers that we either receive or we create it, but WhatsApp is providing us with various options in terms of stickers. Like at the bottom you can see that there is emoji option, then the GIF options, and finally the stickers one. And if you want to, these are the basic stickers that I have already received via chats of my contacts. If I want to go for some variable stickers, I can click on this plus option, and here are the n number of stickers available. I can download them, and if I'm already using them, then I can update it. And my stickers, these are the stickers I am already using, and when I click on all stickers, these are the stickers that are easily available. Let me just click on any of the sticker set and let me just download it. And the names are amazing, like Marianne Bright, Rilakuma, and when it comes to fearless and fabulous for the women empowerment thing, etc. Let me just go for this biscuit ghost bot, and it is getting downloaded. And if I want, I can get more stickers by clicking on get more stickers, and yes, it is downloaded. Let me just check it. As I go into the my stickers tab, the first one, that is the latest downloaded one, is being fetched on the top, and I can use it for sending it to any of the contacts. This is how stickers could be generated or could be added to your stickers gallery. And the another feature for WhatsApp is fancy keyboards. Rather than the monotype typing, we can go for some fancy typings as well. For this, we need to click on this keyboard option and themes. In themes, we can change the color of the keypad that we have. In the font thing, we can change the font. Like if Empire is selected, if I'm typing hello, this will be typed in this format. For italic, it will go into italic. For Hitman, if I want to go for white, everything will be under a circle. If I want to go for regal, it will look like this. And if Dum Dum, for Dum Dum, everything will follow some social distancing thing. And then we have got this one, in which it is barely readable. Another is this one, and so on. We have got so many options like strike through, bold, italic, senorita, text, and whatnot, right? And here in the keyboard options, we have got number rows, text editing, clipboard, symbols. Many things are available which we barely use, right? If you do not want anybody to add you to any of the random groups, जैसे कि कई बार हमें WhatsApp पे कोई e-commerce ग्रुप होता है या कोई बिजनेस ग्रुप भी होता है जिसमें हम नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहते, तो अपने आप को उसे रेस्ट्रिक्ट करने के लिए वी नीड टू गो टू दी सेटिंग ऑफ WhatsApp। इसमें अकाउंट सेक्शन में जाकर के, प्राइवेसी में जाने पर, ग्रुप्स के ऑप्शन में जाकर के यहाँ पे हमें ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं लाइक एवरीवन, माय कॉन्टैक्ट्स एक्सेप्ट एंड नोबडी। बाय डिफॉल्ट व्हाट्सएप एवरीवन पे सिलेक्टेड ऑप्शन देता है, जबकि आप चाहें तो इसे रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं टू माय कॉन्टैक्ट्स में करने पर आप उन सारे ग्रुप्स में ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं जिनका के नंबर आपके डिवाइस में सेव्ड होगा। जो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन है वो है माय कॉन्टैक्ट्स एक्सेप्ट। इसमें अगर आप क्लिक करते हैं तो इसमें आप अपने व्हाट्सएप कॉन्टैक्ट में अवेलेबल जितने भी लोग हैं उनमें से कुछ सिलेक्टेड लोगों को हटा सकते हैं या उन्हें सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इससे ये होगा कि वो लोग आपको कभी भी किसी ग्रुप में ऐड नहीं कर सकेंगे विदाउट योर परमिशन। और जो चौथा ऑप्शन है वो है नोबडी। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि बिना आपकी परमिशन के आपको किसी भी ग्रुप में, फिर चाहे वो फैमिली ग्रुप हो या ऑफिशियल ग्रुप हो या एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ बिजनेस ग्रुप, अगर आप नहीं चाहते हैं कि आपको उसमें ऐड किया जाए तो उसके लिए आपको नोबडी पे सिलेक्ट करना होगा। And hence, these were the 5 features that WhatsApp has launched, and a few ones that was already there in WhatsApp, but were unaware of it or we were rarely using it. Maybe it may happen that a few features may not work into your WhatsApp for now, so you just need to go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp, and it will get reflected into your WhatsApp, and all the features will be flashed into your WhatsApp also. And I hope that the video was worth watching. If yes, then do comment in the comment section below, and by then have a very happy WhatsApp time and keep shining.